Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can disable the automatic backup feature of OneDrive on a PC or laptop. To do so, all you have to do is go on to Google Chrome browser and just search for OneDrive, and after that click on enter, and you'll be able to see that you'll be on this type of page where now you just need to download the OneDrive app. Simply go on to the download option from here and click on the download option that will appear on your screen. And after clicking on download, a download process will start, where now you can see that in your downloads tab, a drive setup.exe has been downloaded from this. Simply click on it, open it up, and now download the Drive app. After you have downloaded it, simply all you have to do is log in into your credentials and just set up the OneDrive, and after that you can see that this type of OneDrive personal folder will be opened up in your PC or laptop. If it doesn't, you can simply go onto the app itself, and from there go on and right click on it, or if not, you can see this cloud icon right here. You can also simply right click on this after downloading the app and setting up your account. All you have to do is go on to it and right click it. After that, all you have to do is go on to settings. I'm going to show you through this, but the process is same in both. Simply go on to OneDrive and go on to settings. After that, you'll be able to see that you'll be on the sync and the backup. Simply go on to it, and if you want to disable all of your features or backup, all you have to do is turn all of these options off like I already did. And as it is off right now, you'll be able to disable all of the features of sync and backup of OneDrive. This is most of this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.